What's up, YouTube? This is a special edition of video. I'm doing a tutorial, a live battle, streaming live here, and I'm gonna show you how to do a Blitz battle. We'll have a code here. So usually you need a code. Either start a match and a code pops up, or you copy a code that your friend gave you. Either and you just join. Pick your deck that you previously made. Now, if you have trouble deck building, I also have a YouTube video
Warsaken.
to help you on that. We'll get into deeper strategic, like specific, different kind of deck building. But first, you just want one newbie deck to go get. Let me turn down the music here. First, you start off a dice roll. It's either your opponent's gonna roll first, or you're gonna roll first. So we're gonna roll, and you start off with a dice roll. Let me turn down the music over here. And you get the number of cards based on based on your roll, right? So I rolled a 5, so I pick up 5 cards, and now I get to play up to 5 cards actions. You get to play whatever you roll. So you show your hand, and you just try to pick. Usually you have more than one, so you get to play up next hand too. So you just play that, or you can press this button right here to play all of your same type of cards. In this case, I have 2 at the same time to save you time. So that used 2 actions, right? Pretty simple. Now I'm gonna play 2 more, which I'm gonna play
incredible yield.
These 2. Now, what type of card? Like right now, these
Amazing.
are force cards. Force cards are basically cards that damage and take other people's territories. Now there are other cards like weather cards. Now WMD cards. As it gets specific, you can do strategies, but right now you can see a simple mechanic is just roll the dice, how many actions, play the cards, and then when it's over, it automatically goes to the other side and the other person rolls, and that's it. That's pretty much it. You play down the card, and let me show you. Once you play a matching 3 card, like I have 2 over here. Now if I next action, if I have another one that will activate that card and do for Blitz battle, you only get to take out the territory in the back. Once you take out all 4 territories, you get to take out you get to attack the leader, and once the leader is dead, you win the game. There's actually multiple ways to win the game. Like if you bring down their morale to 0, you can compromise, but you have to kill the leader. But there's a different ways to compromise the leader. So it's my turn to roll. All right, 3. So I pick up 3 cards. And you look over here, sometimes if it has a matching, it will start shaking, so easier for you to see. Right now, I don't have anything, right? There's some advanced strategies where you do not want to fill your board because you only get to 4 spots. So it looks like I can't really play that much. I got 1 card that I can match, maybe. No weather, so sometimes you just have to... Also, you have a mechanic to take back the card. If you're like cluttered, you can take back this into your hand, see? And then put down the cards you might have. There you go. That's a better setup. Probably better than what I have. Alright? So simple, really simple mechanics. Once you get in there with 1 game, easy. Alright? Hey, Warsaken. So I'm trying to do I'm actually doing a YouTube video doing a really easy Blitz, just walking through simple mechanics, what's going on for people, for newbies who's like I took a long time for me to understand what's everybody doing. But once you get there, it's very easy. So, my turn to roll. He got a pretty unlucky roll, so there you go. Keep going. I get 2. Meh. Whoop. That's just the way it goes. So, Blitz mode is more RNG based, right? It's all about the roll, and it's more fun based for people to get in here and just try it out. So, I do not want to clutter my board, and I can't match anything, so I'm gonna have to just waste my actions here and be careful not to end the game while you want to end the turn. That's it. Back and forth, and maybe we'll get to see some action soon. Now, let me show you, dive into some of the specific cards.
I can make anything.
Like my deck is mostly a force with weather. Now, weather gives you opportunity when you match 3 weather to get a free turn, which is very, very OP right now. A lot of people building weather decks to give them free turns to keep on doing, right? And you have to have force cards. They're the only ones that can attack the leader. Your other cards like WMD it can attack 2 territories, but it can only do territories. So you can put 1 or 2 in there. Alright, enough saying. Let's keep on going. The spaghetti, ooh, 6. Now it's time to bring the pain. See, once I have 3 of the same, usually when you can play that, it's like if it matches, it shakes. So look for these things. Alright, so I got a match right here. I probably want to do, I have 6, so let's play this. This is a force card, and I get to pick one of the territories to take out. Alright, that's the first blood. Woo! Alright, now I still got 5 actions, so I'm going to pull a weather, all 3 here, which give me another turn. You can pick 3 actions this turn to do, but usually I don't have, you probably want to do, usually want to do a turn. Unless you can one-shot them, later on, which strategies comes in. But this is what I'm doing. Cool. I'm looking really good. Let me drop 2 more weather here. Now, see, right after, it gives me my turn. I get to roll because of my weather card. Oh, another 6. Woohoo. That's the way dice rolls, see? Alright, so let's play another weather. Let's match this weather, clear the board. I have chance to take him out right now. Once you get your rolls going, you can pretty much chain like juggling them on unless they juggle them at the end. But this is where the fun stuff begins. But you never know. 2, oh, watch out, watch out. I'm gonna play this. You get to play 2. I get another roll. Oh, 1. Now, man, difference between 1 and a 6. But I got my weather, so I give myself another roll. Let's go. Keep rolling. Keep putting on the pressure. Ooh, I can't get lucky all the time.
Don't touch my tools.
Alright, so I'm going to take another force. Take him out. So he has 2 left. And let's see what he can do. We're getting close, but it really depends on the roll, right? Later on, you can have a bunch of 1s, and he can have a bunch of 6s and come right back. So very RNG heavy, but very, very, very fun game to get you at least understanding it. Next battle. Yeah, sure. Now people are queuing up to get their asses kicked. You can queue up, and right now there's no say a list of codes for you to. You have to find somebody, join the Discord, say code. You want to join my game, join your game, and I think. Wait, oops, sorry. I still have one more action. Sometimes you get hanging there. Sorry about that. Let me play my last card. Oh, I still have Rose. I forgot. I still have Rose. All right. We're gonna have
something for him.
Let's play these guys out there. All right. So there it is. One, I can just speed this up till the end and see how we take each other out. Now he matched a force, so he's gonna take that guy out. Let me turn down the sound for the. Yeah. There's like building cards where you get to bring these cards from your graveyard back to your hand. Man, wait till you get man. Come to this is war style, and the sub. Right. Whole like we got it this time. Thank you. All right, let's do it. Let's finish them off. All right, this is it. So all I need is just take out that leader, and geez, I could play with them a little bit. I could dangle the food a little bit, but that's it. I take out this leader, and shablam! Victory is at hand. That's it. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial, and thank you for chat and the Warsaken for that. And I'll see you on the next one. I'll show you a little bit. There's marketplace, there's upgrade cards, EXPs. There's what's the best way to get loot. What's the best packs like that. Oh, so much you need to know about this game. But for now, thank you. Thank you, Twitch. I'll see you on the next one, YouTube. All right.